Look at this. It's cut. This is the
Such
digital
a
ID.
waste, dude.
Digital ID though. This is, see the scanner in there?
But this is such a waste.
I bet you're gonna have to look at this with your eyes. Look at that. That's the same thing at the gas station.
It's such a waste.
Holy fuck. Look, you could hit this to talk. Who are you supposed to talk to? What's the button for? It won't open? They're gonna lock the doors. You're gonna have to hit a button. They're getting ready for the crime wave.
Such a waste. Like,
There's 60 gig chips in
you
there.
know how hot this is?
This is the reason they're doing it. Just watching it. It's gonna be digital ID.
Such a waste.
Oh no, this is the new order. You don't even know what's in here. Like, oh, this is, talk about virtual reality. This is what you get. Just pretend there's drinks in there. This is creepy. They're finally doing it. This looks like you're in a freaking, look at, you can see the infrared. Look at this. What are you looking at? See that?
I've seen it where like it'll change, like it.
Oh look, voice assistant coming soon. It just activated. What'd you say now, sir?
Like when you walk past it.
All right, it'll probably know your who you are.
Your meals. You walk in front of it. It should show you the meals.
It's gonna know if you've got bad posts on the internet, because now you can't get this pizza because you gotta take your Twitter down. See how that worked?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really coming. Like, oh, this one's got 2 lights.
Look, they
This
won't
is-
display the water one.
This is creepy
water's
shit.
here.
This is the new order, garbage.
They won't display the water. Oh, that shit's already fucked up top.
Garbage. Look how heavy it is too.
Dude.
Why is it? Oh, look at the computer. You can see inside this one.
You can't see the back of the other ones.
I never saw the windows clear like that. I've seen it on the other ones. That see, wow, it's like a 2-way glass. There's a 65 gig chip in here. It's got radar in it. That's how this
Where's the
works.
alkaline water at?
Probably that core garbage.
9.5 right here, baby.
Yeah, the smart water's up there too. Oh, this is creepy.